Okay. Can anybody say something, or just to tell me if you can hear me and see me?
We can see your desktop nicely, and we can see you sitting at the table in the Alice in Wonderland scenery, the holiday, well, the build
Yes.
there.
And you can hear me? Can you hear me?
We can hear you in Adobe Connect.
Yes.
Nice,
Okay.
loud
Great.
and clear.
Okay. Yes. Great. Now I will start my my Camtasia, and of course, now you see here the recording button and the things here. The great thing is that you can decide the size of it. Can you see here? I have some hover over thing. I don't see that on my stationary computer. It says free party horn. I can't get that away with this laptop here. But besides that, it's important that you decide what you want, and it saves you at the same time. You can have your chat going here. You can see here what's going on at the same time, and you can move it over. That's very important, that when you have your record, and that you can talk to people, chat, and for information about this and that. Now I'm going to minimize that. Now I will go back to my the recording, because I mean the whole sound issue is a big chapter. Today I'm mainly concentrating about how to show you in a small way and simple way how to record your screen and using your short keys. Now I will go back again to get that part here you saw here. Camtasia, record. Okay. So back to that again. Of course, it's not going to. Why did it start now? That was my no. Anyhow, I should stop and sure I want to delete. Yes, delete. Yes. Okay, here it's clean, and I can see the volume from my audio is all right. And I told you about the size, where it should be here. I can move this around here. Adjusted. Here. Okay, so I'm here now. I want to tell you my best keys are Control, Alt, and Left mouse. That means I'm keeping my Control and Alt down at the moment and moving around in the area with my left mouse clicking around, and I can scroll in. I can scroll in on anybody just with those two keys I'm holding out, Control, Alt, and left click, and using the scrolling button. So I could start here from this part here. I would like to start here, my position here, and I start recording. It counting down, and that you can see here that area which is going to be recorded, and now it's on. I can start there, and at the same time, you know, I can always cut things away, so I would like very much to move it a bit around, and I can see, I think it's Alfonso coming there, so I will zoom down on him, so we have and already Kara there. So yes, so I will record them there now, and I can also have my Control Alt and I can move a bit with the arrows. See here, I can zoom out a bit. And up here. But you really had to train yourself. Now, that's what happened with a laptop. If you do it in the wrong way. So back to that file, that's 67 to go in there. Press here, open. Okay, now this is my recording. Okay, it's here. It could also be a lot of pictures I could import and all sorts of things. But remember, it must be the same folder. Now I can get it just I can just go through it here before here, just to have a pre-look, but I want the lot. So put it down here, track 1, and it will, now it's laying there. Now please, what size do you want your video to be? I wanted that YouTube thing. YouTube 16 by 9. Here. Okay, 1280 by 720, that's a standard. Okay. Now this is my file down here. And I can move it, of course. Now, at the moment you can see it's not the whole area is not covered, and that's very important because I decided the size now. I pull in the corners, but the thing here, I can even say no, I don't want that part. I just wanted this part here. So. And you see it's still covered the black background, and there are some over here which are not going. So that's going to be the part I'm going to start with here. And we can of course have it to see here.